So changing a pressure switch on this type of canister or a sand filter is the same. So you're just going to unscrew it. This one's on the top here, so this applies to any sand filter or cartridge filter. About 2-3 times around. And you'll feel very lightly if it's going to get cross-threaded or not. You don't want to cross-thread it. And you don't want to Arnold Schwarzenegger it in there. You just want it snug. So right now it's getting snug. I don't want to over-tighten because you'll crack this. Even on a sand filter you could crack it. So that's it. Turn it on to see if it leaks. If it leaks, then you can tweak it a bit. If it keeps on leaking, you're going to have to undo it and put more Teflon tape. And because there's air in this canister, sometimes you'll hear the air come out. So if you hear air, then turn it off and then redo it.